Go. Too many trees. Y'all happy?
Yeah. Cause I was breathing like.
I saw that.
Did you see Cole? Oh my God.
Gavin was freaking out.
I can't stop shaking.
I couldn't.
I said, dude, relax. It
Well,
ain't no
the
big deal
first
yet.
deer I shot, I just got over it. I knew.
Once they kind of got down here a little bit, I kind of calmed down a little bit. But
They were standing there for a while.
When I first saw them, I was like, oh my gosh, Dad, there's a gobbler right there, Dad, that is a gobbler. And then they got here 15 minutes later. I'm like,
I was nervous.
all right, come on, walk in here.
Come on.
I'm waiting.
So right here, we're getting out of the truck, getting ready to go put a reap on some turkeys that we spotted in the field. So we're going to get our reaper. Cole's up the bat right now. Mason is going to be the backup shot. As you can hear, when we crawled up to the edge of this field, you can hear several jakes and gobblers out there gobbling, some hens out there. There's a lot more turkeys in this field than we initially anticipated. So I snuck out to the edge of the field, put the reaper out, and snuck back to my little hidey hole with the camera, as the boys and John were just off to my left.
Still there. Shoot him. Shoot him. Yelp. Oh, you got him. Look at me. You killed one.
Yeah, I guess I did.
Huh?
I wish I could see it.
We seen them all fly.
Yeah.
Someone should have been right here.
John. That second one's the bearded hen. That one that's breaking away right now.
Well, here we are again, doing our turkey sneak. This time on bearded hens.
Let him try it. 50-yard gun or what? Son, that was a hell of a shot. I mean, that was a hell of a shot.
Look at that. That's a bearded hen, my man. Look at that. Look at that pencil beard. That's cool. That's cool.
Oh, good job, Cole.
Let's get this gun, son.
Yes, sir.
That's probably farther than 50.
Dude.
I knew she was right at it. We had a little discussion about which one she was.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
That's why I was like,
and then we got it sorted out, but then she kept walking and feeding.
she wouldn't take her head up, right?
Oh, yeah. He's like, I can't see her head, can't see her head. And then she started standing up, got to the far right, and then I'm like, wait,
She went in front
she's
of
feeding.
that other one.
Yep.
She went in front of that other one. And then I
Cole, that's a poke.
let her have it.
Hey, range that green bush right there. Range the green bush behind where we were sitting. Just see how far. You lose them?
No, I left. I think it's
Okay.
sitting right there. Look at that beard.
Holy,
That's a trophy, man. What a nice
I'm proud
turkey.
of myself.
Yeah, that was good. We did good. We
did
snuck
perfect.
in there quiet, did everything we wanted to do. Cool. We got everything today.
Didn't
We
we?
got Longbeard. We got Jake.
We done
got a
took and
bearded
pulled the
hen.
hat trick.
We got the Ohio hat trick. That's awesome. That's awesome.
I am proud of myself.
Bud, you did. That was a heck of a shot,
We're
dude.
proud of you. You did good.
Dude, that was a 50-plus yard shot with
Look at
a
it. It looked
20 gauge, dude.
What's the poke on it? She's heavy as that Jake was.
Is she?
Uh-huh.
That's awesome.
Yes.
Well, let's get back to the truck before we get poured on.
Yeah, the rains are coming. I think it's lunchtime.
I think it is too.
Lunchtime.
Hey, we got one in the morning.
All our birds before noon, buddy. 3 boys, 3 birds.
Your gobble call fell out when I was running,
That's all right. That's all right.
so I just make sure we find it.
Cool, cool, cool.
Well, our youth season started off with a bang this morning. We followed it up by who shot first?
I did. I shot this long beard.
Gavin shot the Longbeard. Then what'd you kill?
Jake
Mason killed the Jake, and Cole ended it
with a bearded hen.
with a bearded hen at about 11:40.
Went for 3 for 3.
Well,
Three
we
for
went 3 for 3, and we did it all before noon.
We did.
All before
Yeah.
noon.
That's right.
You guys have fun.
Yeah, we woke up about 4:30 and did it all before noon.
Are we going to do it all over again tomorrow?
Yes, we are.
Everybody's got tags ready for tomorrow.
Including
got
you
our-
guys.
What's this guy? What we call this guy?
Our taxi driver. Yeah, our
Taxi
taxi driver. He drives us around.
We got Josh Hupp going to take us
Uber
around some new farms in the morning and show us around again. He done a great job today, and we just want to thank Hupp Outfitters. If we don't kill another bird, we've had an exceptional day of turkey hunting. We had hens trying to gobble today. We had longbeards gobbling.
And let me just say,
What?
the hen gobbling, it sounded like a Jake or a bearded hen trying to gobble. It sounded like a yelp and a gobble at the same time.
So we had a good time. So hopefully we'll see you guys back here tomorrow killing more turkeys, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, youth season in Ohio 2017. Just took off flying.
Slowly get your gun. Not yet. A little bit faster than that. Pick it up, Cole. Squeeze it, pick it up. Easy. Ease it up there on your shooting stick. Real easy. Real easy. Get it up there. Okay, that's good. Just wait. Not yet, Gavin. Okay, yes, easy. Gavin, I need you to grab it from the bottom. Cole. Just wait, just wait. Take your safety off, Cole. Take your safety off. Okay. Ready? Get on it. Gavin, just relax. Okay. Alright, Cole. Shoot him whenever you get on his head. Okay. Shoot him. Wait. Alright, shoot him. Wait. You got it. Good job. Wait, man. Good job, boys.
Nice.
You guys did a good job, Cole.
Good shot, dude.
He's attacking that thing.
Yeah, he was attacking that. Like, I saw you about pulled the trigger, and you're like, oh crap. When he started twerking that thing, he was about to pull the trigger. He's like, oh no. You would have missed that if he started doing that. Good shot, dude.
Alright, shh. There's more turkeys here. Just calm down.
Nice. He missed that, Jacob.
Yeah, he did.
Good shot, Cole. Cole's tagged out. Are those turkeys coming in?
Where?
Never mind them.
Probably geese.
Yeah, geese.
What do you think, bud? Good job, boys. You guys did good. Sit down, Cole.
Are we gonna go get him?
Yeah.
We kissed that shell too.
Yeah. Man, Cole just made a heck of a shot on one. Oh, Gavin was pumped up more than he was, I think. Good job, guys.
Nice. That was
This
like the weirdest.
This is youth season down here in Meigs County, Ohio. We've been hunting hard with Hupp Outfitters. Well, we hadn't really been hunting hard, have we?
No.
It's been pretty easy.
It's been pretty easy.
I haven't been out here for what? An hour?
Yeah, and this just came nice.
We killed 3 yesterday on the first day.
Yeah, it was crazy. I killed a Tom first, then Mason, my brother, killed a Jake, and then Cole killed a bearded hen. Now we're here again. We haven't got any news from Mason. He's over hunting at Gary's, but we got 1 Tom down, 2 more, or maybe 1 more to go.
Awesome. You guys all jacked up?
Yeah,
Take
I
your
was
mask
like,
off, Mason. Everybody see that pretty face you got.
That was crazy.
We got in here a little bit late. The turkeys were nervous
Yeah.
for sure this morning.
We were making a lot of noise on the walk-in.
Yeah, this is the same field where Cole shot his bearded hen yesterday, and we came back in here and there was 4 longbeards.
And Cole shot another one.
and Cole just shot another one in here this morning.
Nice.
This is your lucky field, Cole.
Yeah, I know. Good shot, Cole. We're gonna come back here next year and hunt the same field again. Push Cole out.
Yeah. Well, let's go see what we got.
Alright, let's do it.
Well, here we are, the 2nd day of Ohio's youth turkey season. Cole Mann just shot the biggest turkey that he's ever killed, and bigger turkey than I've ever killed. 1.5-inch spurred giant. He ain't got much for a beard. Got some beard rot going on bad, but just a phenomenal turkey, a phenomenal hunt. How long was we in the blind?
We weren't even in the blind for 45 minutes.
Yeah, 30 to 45 minutes.
I mean, we watched them fly down from here.
Yeah, we watched them fly down. They came from over there, and they flew down. One flew in the tree, and I'm like getting all excited. We didn't know what that was. And like, okay, so there's 1 gobbler. I'm hoping that the one is in the tree is another one. So he flew down. There's a bunch of jakes, and they came around, and I tried to call him back in, and the jakes wouldn't budge.
You got nervous, didn't you?
Yeah, the hen flew off. That was the bad part. And then he kept on calling and calling and calling, and finally that gobbler started running, and he took off, and he started kicking our jake. And when he got off, Cole whacked him. I guess.
The boys have had fun, to say the least, down here in Meigs County at Hupp Outfitters. They all 3 killed birds yesterday. We got the Ohio trifecta. Gavin started us off early with a big old long beard.
and then Mason in the middle with a Jake, and then Cole ended the morning yesterday with a bearded hen in this same field. And we're on a good start for day 2. Turkey season started off, and the big boys get to play tomorrow. We're just hoping that these youngsters will leave us a few turkeys to chase. So